Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, December the 19th, 2018. Okay, and to start off with, I want to remind you one more time that you can sign up and get a free simulated trading account to learn how to auto trade with the Trade Idea softwares combined with interactive brokers. So I've got 3 easy steps for you to get started. One, you've got to activate a premium Trade Ideas account, or you could put down a $100 deposit for right now to save your spot. But open a free simulated trading account with interactive brokers, and then you'll be able to try out the Brokerage Plus and automate your trades. So great opportunity. As we're seeing here, Holly's even adapting to these tough markets. She's had a couple of tough days here, but she is getting her footing again, which we will see in a little bit. But first, let's take a look at the markets and see how they did today. And you can see, starting off with the spiders, first thing to note is we have well above average volume here. You can see this big green candle. We did have a little bit of recovery at the end, but we went across here, a couple hours into the trading day, or a little over an hour basically, and then we started the pullback. You had a couple attempts at recovery and a little bit here at the very end of the day, but a little too late and a little too little. The diamonds, once again, we note the above average volume, closed with just a little bit of a tail there. And we can see here we went to about 10:45 or so is when that pullback started. A little recovery. The charts look very much the same. Okay, and now let's go ahead and look at IWM. And we can see here it's just like the same old story all over again. Well above average volume, nice red candle, a little bit of a tail at the end. Same thing, 10:45 started the pullback. A couple attempts at recovery, but little, too late. In the Qs, here we go. Above average volume, but not the huge volume that the other ones had. And we can see the same pattern here. So, yet another tough day for the markets. We're going into Friday tomorrow, and then we've got Christmas week next week. So it'll definitely be or I should say probably light trading, as sometimes we never really know what's going to happen. And so, doubt that a lot of people are going to be buyers holding into a weekend like that, but we'll see what happens. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at Holly, and Holly Grail had 8 trades for a loss of $1.14, and the risk on side she made 5 cents loss. I should say she lost 5 cents. And we'll take a look and see what trades we had. We had an AAOI, a long trade. She got out for a profit save, made a quarter on that. And you can see, had you held till the end of the day, you would have lost 7 cents. And her best risk on trade was a short RPM. She got out for a 1 cent loss, and that was reduced risk. Ended up making 16 cents had you held till the end of the day. But there was a little bit more money to be made there if you had exited, before it went all the way back up, but not a whole lot. So a rough segment there for Holly. Holly 2.0, 7 trades for a 10-cent profit. Risk on 45 cents. Her best trade was UL for a 23-cent profit. That was a long trade. The strategy was on support. If we see over here, she had 2 trades, and the winning percentage overall is 63.2%. Today it was 50%. And had you held till the end of the day, you would have lost 12 cents. She got out for a timed exit. And her best trade was a short on the risk on, DAL. That was Slippery Slope. If we look over here, Slippery Slope, she had 3 trades and only a 33% win percentage today, but 67.3% overall. And You can see here she got out for a profit save, made 15 cents. Had you stayed on till the end of the day, you would have been an 80-cent winner right there. Now let's go ahead and move these charts up a little bit here. And there we go there. And we had Holly Neo, 14 trades, so fairly active here. She made 44 cents. And on the risk on, $1.74. Her best trade was ALRM, a short. And look at how here, predominantly short. So, she definitely knew the shorts were the way to go. Got out for a timed exit, made 91 cents. Had you held till the end of the day, you would have made $1. And her best, and that was the best in both categories. So there is your Holly for you today. And just to bring in our Excel spreadsheet that we like to do, you can see here we had a total of 29 trades today, lost 60 cents in the risk off mode, but made $2.14 on the risk on mode. For the week, we're at 149 on the number of trades, 325 loss risk off, 293 profit on the risk on. And just as a reminder to follow me, you can do that on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up there. Maybe drop in a comment, maybe share it with your friends and like-minded people. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to these videos so that you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.